To add JavaScript to a Wix website, start by accessing the Wix editor, where you can design and customize your site. In the Wix editor, click on the Add icon on the left side of the screen and select More from the drop-down menu. This will open the Wix App Market, where you can find various apps and integrations to enhance your website. Search for the Wix code or custom code app in the search bar and click on it to install. Once installed, click on the Add to Site button to add the app to your Wix editor. This will allow you to add custom JavaScript code to your website. In the Wix editor, click on the custom code icon on the left side of the screen and select the New Code option. Choose JavaScript as the code type and give your code a name. You can then paste your JavaScript code into the editor and configure the settings as needed. To add JavaScript to a specific page on your website, click on the Page Settings icon and select the Custom Code option. Choose the JavaScript code you created earlier and configure the settings to run the code on page load or on a specific event. Best practices for adding JavaScript to a Wix website include keeping your code organized and concise, using descriptive variable names, and testing your code thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. You should also be mindful of Wix's terms of service and ensure that your JavaScript code complies with their policies. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively add JavaScript to your Wix website and enhance its functionality and user experience. Remember to always test your code and ensure it works as expected before publishing your site. With Wix's built-in tools and features, you can create a powerful and interactive website that meets your needs and engages your audience.